Good morning बच्चों. As you know that I have given you a task that you are going to submit block of code on Python with CSV. Okay, in this connection I am going to discuss the code to search the record given by Chandprakash, Akshat and Deependra. If anyone name I have not taken here, please don't mind. Okay, now whatever code you have submitted to me, I made some changes so that your code will fit with my project. Okay, concept is not going to change, only small changes, only necessary changes I made here. Is it? So first of all, let me show you the entire code. The first of all, add record. You know that we have to open a file in append mode, then writer object with the help of writer function, the roll number, name, address. Then with the help of write row method, you know that we can insert a row in CSV. Now, while displaying the data, you can see show function f equal open my.csv r, that means in read mode, and creation of reader object with the help of reader function. Is it? For I in reader object, you know that. यहाँ तक हम कर चुके हैं. Now, one small code I added here, you can see if I equal empty. Okay, if you are working with CSV file, so you may have seen that blank row added while inserting a row. Okay, अगर आप डिस्कस कर रहे होगे तो अगर आप काम कर रहे होगे तो आपने देखा होगा कि CSV फाइल में क्या हो रहा है, ब्लैंक रो आ जा रहा है. Okay, now how to prevent this blank row insertion we will discuss later. I managed here. Okay, very easy code. If I equal empty, continue. Then print /t, you know the meaning of /t, and join I. Okay, clear? I think there is no doubt the meaning of join. If you have any doubt in join, please revise once again the concept of string and list. Now, searching. As you know that, enter roll number, opening of file, creation of reader object, then for I in row, then if I equal, is it? If rn equal I of 0. क्लियर? तो जिन लोगों ने अभी तक कोड नहीं दिया है वो इस कोड को गौर से देखेंगे. देन प्रिंट रोल नंबर, नेम, एड्रेस, प्रिंट आई ऑफ 0. आई ऑफ 0 मीन्स रोल नंबर की जो वैल्यू है, आई ऑफ 1 मीन्स नेम एंड आई ऑफ 2 मीन्स एड्रेस. देन ब्रेक एंड दिस इज फॉर एल्स लूप. यू नो दैट अगर रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा तो एल्स में आएगा and you will get the message record not found. Okay, for that purpose, you know that menu. Okay, now let me execute this code. F5. First of all, press 2 so that I can show you all the records. Okay, total 11 roll numbers. Okay, now press 1, enter roll number 12. Clear? Now name suppose M, address capital M. Now press 2. You can see record added. That means show as well as enter record, both functions are working fine. Now third, search. Enter roll number to be searched, suppose 4. You can see. Once again try. Enter roll number 12. That means M. You can see. Now once again third. Enter roll number 20. you can see record not found. Okay, so hoping that like this you're going to submit me deletion as well as updation coding by tomorrow and day after tomorrow, so that I can complete this project. Okay, so I'm waiting for it. Good luck and practice. Thank you.